Korean skincare is never complete without a sheet mask in your routine. These are perfect to add a boost of hydration, glow, treatment, and nutrition to your skin. Why not have some fun and customize your own with ingredients that you already have in your kitchen? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Charlotte and welcome to Below Rain, where I share all things Korean skincare, fashion, and makeup. I'll be sharing with you 4 DIY Korean inspired sheet masks that you can do right at your house. So let's get to it. Option number 1, a paper towel. You can draw some holes where your mouth, eyes, and nose are, cut them out, and you will have your paper towel sheet mask made at home. Option number 2 would be the cotton pads. You can get these in CVS or in Walgreens, or masking pads. These specifically are from the brand Quarks, which I bought a few weeks ago. These actually come in pairs. You can rip them out. They have a very distinctive shape. One side is a little bit, it looks like a little bump, and the other one has like a U shape. So these are very flexible, so you can put them all around your face. And the best part is that U shape, you can put them underneath your eyes, so it makes like a good eye mask. Option number 3 would be paper towels. You can cut into pieces and put it all around your face. And our last option, number 4, would be the compression mask. These are so convenient. It's $1.50 for 50 pieces, and I bought these in Daiso. For me, it's like the Japanese Walmart, to be honest. There's so many cheap stuff in there. Usually these look like little Mentos, so you can get very confused by it. What you do, you just open up the package, put them in a bowl, add some water, and it will turn out to be your sheet mask. Add 3 tablespoons of already brewed and cold green tea. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it very well. And then you add your sheet mask or whatever you're going to be using and let it soak for 2 minutes. This is really optional. You can add the green teas from the tea bag. Just be aware that after you take it out, you're going to have a little bit of those tea leaves on your face, but you can just wash them out. Green tea is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and has antimicrobial properties that help treat acne and oily skin. Honey is an antiseptic and an antibacterial, which also helps fight acne by keeping your pores free of oil and dirt, while at the same time keeping them hydrated and tight to give a clear complexion. To create that rice water, you need a half a cup of brown or white rice in a container and add a cup of water. Seal it and leave it overnight in the fridge. The next day is ready to use. And I want to take 2 to 3 tablespoons into a bowl and add my cotton pads, sheet mask, or paper towel pieces. I'll let it soak for a few seconds and then put them on my face for about 15 minutes. Rice water is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for maintaining healthy, beautiful skin. It also contains the nourishing antioxidant ferulic acid, as well as allantoin, an organic compound that helps soothe and heal skin. After taking them off, I use one of those same pads and swipe it all over the face. Another brightening mask is taking tomato juice. So you want to smash 4 cherry tomatoes and strain it to get the juice. After that, you would want to take 3 tablespoons of that and then add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix very well. And then add your cotton pads, paper towel pieces, or sheet mask that you're going to be using. Dip them in, let it soak for a few seconds, and there you have it. Tomato is slightly acidic in nature but contains high contents of potassium and vitamin C. This transforms the dullest of skins and restores glow to the skin. They also have lycopene, which is an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals in the body. It helps treat skin problems related to aging and sun damage, therefore making it a great skin rejuvenator. Honey has an exfoliating properties, which using it on your face can eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. This actually helps to reveal a brighter looking skin. So you want to take 3 tablespoons of chilled black tea. To make your puree, you want to take 1/4 cup of blueberries and mix it on your blender. Take 1 tablespoon of your blueberry puree, mix well, and then add your cotton pads, paper towel pieces, or sheet mask that you're going to be using. Let it soak for 30 seconds, and there you have it. Now you'll see there's like pieces of blueberry. Don't worry about that. That will help you to be a little exfoliator after you take them off. The antioxidant, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory properties presented in black tea helps keep your skin healthy, glowing, and hydrated. The vitamins and full of antioxidants in blueberries help fight free radicals to prevent premature aging. Mix these 2 ingredients together and you have a powerful anti-aging sheet mask. Now, if you're experiencing any redness or swelling in your skin, this mask is perfect for you. Use 1.5 tablespoons of chilled chamomile tea. Then grab oat milk or oat water, whichever you prefer, and add 2 tablespoons. Mix very well. And then you add your cotton pads or whichever you're preferring. I will be using my compression mask. I let it soak for a few seconds. And obviously this is optional as well. You can use chamomile petals added to your mask. Chamomile tea reduces acne breakouts and redness on the skin, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Oat milk has rich antioxidant properties that help undo the damage done to your skin by pollution, UV rays, and chemicals. Oats help reduce itching and inflammation and can be used to calm eczema, rosacea, and heal psoriasis. Remember, it is not replacing your original sheet masks, but actually is a more vegan alternative that you can do. It's an option that you can do for this weekend, for the week, while you're working, or just like having like a little me time. Let me know in the comments down below which of the sheet masks you'll be doing. Also, you can tag me while you're doing your DIY sheet mask on my social media. Instagram is @BLorraine. And as well, you can share it on my Facebook page. That's also BLorraine. Go check them out, like, follow. Yes, I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye.